The All-Party Hurriyat conference has expressed its grave concern over the beleaguered situation prevailing in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, while the subdued people have been deprived of all their fundamental rights by the Modi-led Indian fascist regime. All-Party Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulana Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the unabated search operations and nocturnal raids are a part of a deep conspiracy to physically eliminate and economically cripple the Kashmiri people. It denounced arbitrary arrests of resistance leaders, businessmen, lawyers, journalists, and human rights activists. The APHC leader maintained that the repressive measures have failed to deter Kashmiri people from pursuing their legitimate demand for right to self-determination. Meanwhile, the stranded Pakistani wives staged a protest demonstration in Srinagar along with their children, demanding citizenship of occupied Jammu and Kashmir or be sent back to Pakistan. The protesting women, carrying placards in favor of their demands, marched to the city centre and assembled at a press enclave to register their protest. Chanting slogans, they said the career of their children is insecure without citizenship and travel documents. Indian troops launched a massive cordon and search operation in Pulwama town. The troops blocked all roads and sealed entry and exit points and conducted house-to-house searches. They fired several blood shots to harass the locals. On the other hand, the occupation authorities continued to suspend mobile internet service for most of the time in Renavari, Safakadar, Nauhata and many areas of Srinagar. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a party function at Surankot Punch, called for a peaceful struggle for the restoration of their snatched rights. After the August 5, 2019 action, she said the Modi regime is taking away something from the Kashmiris on daily basis. In India, a case has been registered against 18 police personnel in Uttar Pradesh state for killing 2 persons in a fag encounter. Commenting on the development, human rights activists said that the perpetrators of relatively more brutal fag encounters in occupied Jammu and Kashmir go unpunished because the victims are usually Muslims. Meanwhile, tension has gripped India's Karnataka state after a 26-year-old member of Hindu extremist outfit Bajrang Dal was stabbed to death. The BJP-led state regime is trying to implicate the Muslims in the murder for political gains. The social networking site Twitter has removed a caricature posted by the BJP Gujarat unit on its Instagram account, wherein it hailed the special court's verdict sentencing 38 Muslims in the 2008 Ahmedabad blasters case to death. In the caricature, the BJP has depicted the Muslims being hanged while tied to a single rope. On the first day of the Sikh festival of Saka Nangana today, the Sikh community placed flowers and lit candles in memory of the renowned Sikh artist and youth leader Sardar Deep Singh Sidhu from Indian Punjab in the Gurdwara Janamasthan Nangana Sahib, Pakistan. He was killed by Indian security agencies. On the occasion, Punjabi Sikh Sangat chairman Sardar Gopal Singh Chawla said that Deep Singh, killed in a staged traffic incident, was a shining star of the Sikh nation.